we have your new smart panels and we're really excited about those. So we're going to show you the basics of what you need to know to get started using those today. When you come into your room, you're going to have a smart panel on a stand. It's going to have two cables connected. We have them connected here in the front, but they may also be connected in the back. Either way, it's going to be an HDMI cable and a touch cable that will enable you to use all of the touch features on the board. So those two cables will connect to your docking station. You will also have your orange cable that goes to your hover cam. And if you have a network cable that connects to internet network, that's that blue cable that you may possibly have that in your dock as well, and that will go straight to the wall. Once you connect your dock to your computer, then you are ready to go and you can use your panel just as you have been using your projector. It has a lot more capabilities and we're going to go into that at a later date, but today we're just going to show you the basics.
All right, hey teachers. So your hover cam will work through an app on your computers. It's this green app, says hover cam. And so to practice today, we put something under it and we have where you can write. Now, the cool thing about the smart panels, you pick up your pen. This little reindeer looking icon is all your tools. And so I'm gonna go on pen. And so with this under my hover cam, my document camera, the kids can come up here and write. I'm sad to say I had to count to figure out what that was 11. So you can either write up here using your smart features, or you can write over here and then it shows there as well. So that's using the hover cam with smart.
You also have some other functionality that we want to show to you. You're going to have a home button on the panel, and when you click that home button, it will give you some other options. You'll see some favorites that are here, but we want to show you specifically the whiteboard. When you open the whiteboard, this works basically like a regular whiteboard would. Your students can come up and grab the pen, and they can start doing whatever it is that you need them to do directly here on the board. But whenever you get done with this, if you want to switch back and forth, you do need to know how to use the function, the input function button. So to get to that, we're going to click that home button again. And now you have input. We're going to click our input. And here's where you're going to see what you have, what sources are coming to your panel. So this is what I want to show now. I'm just going to click that input and it will open back up. So you can easily toggle back and forth between the whiteboard function and your computer function. Again, you can click the home button and go to input, or you can just click that input button right here directly and it will take you to the HDMI input screen. Hope this helps.
All right, teachers, so we know how often you use YouTube in your lessons. So we have YouTube pulled up. One of the really cool things is you won't need a speaker anymore. They're all built in. And so there's sound buttons on your smart panel. There's also a remote to use, but I know sometimes they walk off. So all buttons you need are right here on the front. So you can just hit play.
To hear other children reading so that we have some sort of way.
Really loud. And then if you want to continue working on your laptop while you're showing the kids something like you do with your projectors, on your laptop, you will do extend.
To get to extend, you're going to hit the F8 button.
Yeah, Control F8, extend. So now I have YouTube on my computer, nothing on the smart panel. So using your mouse, you're going to grab what you want to show the kids and drag it over the smart panel and let go. So now, on your teacher laptop, you're working on grades, your lesson planning, and the kids are watching their lesson on the smart panel.